Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of IKEA. The Versagla coasters, stylish coasters that protect your tables. The Kelix shelving unit, versatile shelving unit that can be customized to your needs. The Viskoffers armchair, statement piece for any room with classic design. The Balzer swivel chair, stylish and comfortable dining chair that's easy to swivel. The Strandman wing chair, classic IKEA design that's incredibly comfortable. The Alf Star chair, lightweight and comfortable rattan chair with hand-woven design. The Oscarsham wing chair, super comfortable chair with timeless design. The Hafberg swivel chair, stylish and comfortable swivel chair with durable fabric cover. The Vedbo high back armchair, soft but distinct design with good lumbar support. The Glosted love seat, easy to assemble love seat with removable and washable cover. The Symphonist Wi-Fi bookshelf speaker, versatile speaker that can be placed horizontally, vertically, or mounted on the wall. The Parup love seat, stylish and comfortable love seat with removable and washable cover. The IKEA extendable table, durable dining table that's easy to extend. The Bervik side table, versatile and lightweight side table with natural look.